Jain everyone. Today I'm gonna give you an introduction about the Chima dormitory and the way how to get to Chima dormitory. This is platform number 1 on which your train will be stopped, and then you have to take this platform bridge and follow this bridge. You have to come straight to that point. The extreme end of this platform bridge. You have to keep following me. I will show you the next sign that you have to follow in order to get to Chima dormitory.
हाँ, आप प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1 से जैसे ट्रेन रुकेगी आपकी 1 से आप जैसे उतरोगे आपको ब्रिज नज़र आएगा, सीढ़ी चढ़ जाना है। सीढ़ी चढ़ के आपने बिल्कुल लास्ट ऊपर चढ़ के ऐसे जो हम चल रहे हैं तो लास्ट जहाँ से बिल्कुल सीढ़ी एंड होती है ब्रिज के ऊपर से, तो वहाँ लिखा भी हुआ है एग्जिट टू रामा मंडी।
Gentlemen, the next checkpoint that you will get is exit to Rama Mandi. And this is the end point of the platform bridge. So you can show the platform bridge to them. Paji, remove camera this side. That's the end of the bridge that we have walked. And now towards this end, you have to just walk down.
तो एग्जिट करके अपने फिर नीचे उतराना है।
And you just have to go downstairs. Then you have to walk just 100 meters and you will be there. And and today on this auspicious occasion, Chima Paji's dormitory website has been also online on Google, and you can visit that website for a specific address and if any problem that you get. And if you are late, if you train get late at night here, call Chima Paji and the given phone number that you have, and he will come and receive you too. Only at late night. Otherwise, you can just call him and he will guide you if you have any problem regarding the address. Thank you, gentlemen.
हाँ, जैसे इन्होंने कैंडिडेट ने बोला कि आप जैसे आप एग्जिट रामा मंडी करोगे तो ये नीचे उतर रहा है पुल, तो ऐसे बिल्कुल सीधा चले जाना है, ठीक है। तो आपको सीधा ही जाएंगे तो आपको चीमा ऐसे डॉर्मेट्री पता लग जाएगी जाके। तो यदि आप किसी कारणवश लेट हो जाती ट्रेन आपकी रात को 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 बजे, तो फिर हम पिकअप हम करेंगे। ऑटो, रैपिडो, ओला बाइक करने की आपको लोड नहीं है, क्योंकि वो टू मच मनी मांगते हैं। इतना हम रहने का नहीं मांगते जितना वो आपको लेके आने का मांग लेते हैं।
Gentlemen, one more point that I would like to give you is you can find another checkpoint, which is Anmol Clothing Center, right in front of Anmol Clothing Center. The lane goes and it is directly built to Chima dormitory. It is also a very specific checkpoint to be there.
चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आप इसको ऑफिस यूनिफॉर्म में देखेंगे। बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
So gentlemen, as you walk 100 meters, then you will cross that flyover, and you have to come just 10 meters ahead, and you will see this Punjab National Bank and this lane written on which you have also written the Chima dormitory, Chima SSB dormitory, and you have to walk just 10 meters, hardly 10 meters, and you will reach the Chima dormitory.